Widespread devastation. Now, the tsunami that is currently underway in the northeast of the country was caused by an 8.9 magnitude earthquake. And that struck 130 kilometers off the Pacific coast. Well, aftershocks have been felt within the last few minutes.
More than 1,000 people are known to have been killed, many drowned in the raging waters. It's feared, though, that the death toll could rise considerably. Hundreds of thousands are in temporary shelters. More than 1 million people have no water, and there are still warnings that more tsunamis could be triggered.